Good morning, Loki. My hair is like actually insane. Here's my cup for today. I just like the ones with the toppers so that they have a lid. Aldi. Do I usually get this from Aldi? Because if you get it from Trader Joe's, they only have a really tiny one. So it is officially glow up time with no product in it. What I don't love is the funny story about how I messed up my hair. I don't know, maybe I'll explain it tomorrow because I'm just really mad when I think about it. Okay, what day are we on? Day 4. I can't even take myself seriously because I'm just so mad. And this is gonna be a box, I think. Wicked. Day 4, vlogmas. Okay, I want my money back. Hopefully that wasn't number 4 that just moved out of the way. But Taylor Swift can't let us down now. See which Kylie we get now that we've established that. The Hello Kitty squishies that give me anxiety, but here we go. Day 4. I think we're gonna get a character this time because let's see, we got Harry Potter, we got some weird shield thing, and I hate peppermint. Oh, there's no way I did this. I gotta go before Loki decides to roll around the cat litter that I just cleaned. Let me know how your day was. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and you're liking Vlogmas. Muchísimas gracias though for watching this video. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.